Okay, so we're gonna rate this paper toy and rate the packaging of the toy. Okay. This is, you cannot read it because it's backward. I know. This is common, this is uncommon, this is rare, this is legendary. I really want the legendary. And this is big or small. I really want the big one. My handwriting it's already opened, and it says you got. Look, you got. It's just backwards. Legendary, and this big. You can see at the B, it's obvious because at the start, small is not B at the start, it's S. Get it? It's not a joke, okay? Let's try the big one and the small one. And this one, I made it morning. Today morning, okay? Super squishy. Don't break. Buttonless here. Do break here, the paper part. And I struggled to tape here. Super squishy, 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. I'm gonna, if there's no 10 out of 10, this is the 10 out of 10, okay? It's 9 out of 10 for now. Now next, this. Kind of big, it's a cell phone. But I didn't put too much fluff, so it's not even squishy. 6 because it's not squishy. No wait, 7 for the case and the looks. So 7. I like it. Kinda. Oh, I need to be faster. Actually, wait.
Sorry na.
This one. 9 out of 10, and this one 8 out of 10, and this one 10 out of 10.